All right, one section off, secure your section with a small hair elastic. All right, next, about 4 fingers down from your previous hair elastic, you just want to secure another one. Now we're going to turn this section into a topsy tail. So use your index fingers and thumbs to make a big hole above your elastic and just flip your ponytail up and pull it all the way through. I'm going to create one more topsy tail, and all you need to do is grab the top third of your ponytail, add a clip to prevent tangling, and then secure an elastic about 4 fingers down. Once you've created your topsy tail, don't forget to pinch and pull to fan it out. And once you're happy with it, same as before, gather all of that hair and secure it into a ponytail over that last hair elastic. And then gently pull out the under section so that the twist pops. For my first section, I'm not paying too much attention to it. I'm just loosely grabbing all the hair that's above my ear on both sides, and I'm going to tie it off at the crown. For my next section, I'm just grabbing all the hair from behind my ears and on the middle of my head, making sure to leave a nice sized section of hair at the bottom. Once you have your section, tie it off with a hair elastic. Now we can begin the bubble. Grab each side with your index fingers, push upwards on the underside with your thumbs while pulling outwards to create that bubble effect. And then go in, pulling a little extra just to even it out. So there we have it, you guys. I absolutely love this hairstyle. There's just something about it, like it's kind of edgy yet feminine. It's just really different and so perfect for summer.
Concealing what deep down I felt for you.